Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you a unique strategy to make money online. It is free and available worldwide. It also pays with PayPal. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to not miss a single part of the video to earn more revenue. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Before we jump on the platform and start making money, it's important to remember that this strategy will revolve around what we do every time we watch YouTube videos on our phones and laptops. I'm not sure how this task will bring us money in today's world, but here we are. Isn't it incredible how far technology has come? Not only that, but I'll teach you another way to maximize the profit potential of this platform. So sit back and pay attention because this is going to be a great video. Moving forward, AdMeFast.com will be the platform. We shall be able to watch YouTube videos in exchange for points that can be exchanged for cash or PayPal money on this website. Simply stick with me and I'll show you how to turn your points into money. This is also a social media engagement platform where users can post their YouTube views, likes, and other information. On this page, you may learn more about the website as well as the platform's distinct features. All you need is a YouTube account to use this site and earn money. You won't need a great number of members to make money. To get started, all you need is an account. I'll tell you another story now. You can create a channel if you don't have one yet by going to youtube.com and joining up. To try out the AdMeFast platform for free, click this button. After you click it, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be asked for information like your first and last names, email address, and other details needed to create an account. So once you're finished, check this box and complete the sign-up process. You'll receive a confirmation email that looks like this. Keep a watch on your spam folder too, because their emails will almost always end up there. Click the verification link they will provide you to become a registered user of the website. For the time being, please allow me to connect into my account so that you can verify that this platform is legitimate and operational. This is just a basic website where you can earn money on a daily basis, as you can see from the dashboard. The possibilities for earning points can be found on the left-hand side. You can like and comment on posts as well as follow random accounts on Twitter, Facebook, and other social networking sites by clicking here. When you complete this task, the platform will award you the right number of points. On the right side, you can use whichever social media platform you choose, but that isn't why we're here. By watching YouTube videos, that can help us with our numerous demands. We've earned a life and a source of income. We went to the left-hand panel and looked for YouTube views, which we then chose. After pressing that button, you'll be taken directly to this page. As you can see, in order to gain this number of points, you must view the video for a certain amount of time. It's as simple as selecting Watch Video from the menu. On your computer screen, this page will appear. The page will display how long you've been watching the video and whether or not it's still playing. As you can see, the website is counting down, so we'll have to wait for our goodies for a few minutes. Furthermore, you may apply the method on a regular basis and earn an unlimited number of points by simply viewing a movie for a few minutes. You may also convert your points for likes, views, or subscribers on social media networks as part of the platform's referral program. You will receive this number of points for each individual you can help sign up for this platform. Another benefit of this page is that you can receive a daily bonus simply by signing up and completing tasks on a daily basis. This option, however, will only be available to accounts that have been active on the platform for a long time. So stay active to get that daily bonus. See? On the site, consistency is rewarded, so make sure to log in every day. Because there isn't yet a daily bonus, let's make the most of the YouTube videos by watching them all at once. If you're still here, watch as much as you can. I'm going to show you another site where you can make extra money simply by using AdMeFast. When you contemplate how much money this platform may possibly create, it's mind-boggling. Let's go to PlayerUp.com, a social media marketplace where you can buy and sell social media accounts and interactions. Go to this page and scroll down until you see the link to all other game stores. After pressing this button, look in the letter F category for the Facebook button. You'll be taken to a page where you can buy, sell, and trade Facebook followers, friends, and even likes. But for the sake of simplicity, we'll stick to Facebook likes, follows, and shares. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. So if I click here, this is what I'll get. You'll find this page where people sell services like these for a fair price, such as this number of likes for this amount of money. To market these types of services and expand your firm, you could, for example, use AdMeFast and YouTube videos. Consider how doing so on a regular basis will unquestionably help you and your needs. All you have to do now is sign up for PlayerUp and begin marketing your services. If a client asks you to increase the number of likes on a Facebook post, for example, you'll do this in PlayerUp. Return to adminfast.com and look for the plus add button on the dashboard. Select the kind, which in this case is Facebook likes, then the country's category, which in this case is worldwide, and finally the title after choosing to proceed. It doesn't matter what you call it, so simply fill in the blanks with the client's requirements. Now you must input or paste the URL provided by the customer, which leads to their page or post. The number of points you spend, which is equivalent to the number of likes you obtain, will determine the cost per click. You're done once you've finished inputting and processing everything, and you provided a service to the client by sending Facebook likes and the likes, and that's it. You've accomplished a process that took minimal time and effort in exchange for a large sum of money. By watching selected movies, you can earn points that you can then sell on PlayerUp. To make things easier, first join with AdMeFast and watch a lot of videos to collect points. Then go to PlayerUp.com and select the Facebook likes category. After you've accumulated a significant number of points in AdMeFast, you'll need to register with PlayerUp and offer your service, which in this case is selling Facebook likes. If a customer wishes to pay for the service of increasing particular aspect of their social media connection, they can do it here by entering their URL in AdMeFast. And that wraps it up. That is exactly a unique strategy to make money online. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online.